Hello, dear student. Welcome once again in this class. In last video, we have finished the general method of preparation of haloalkanes. Today, we will discuss about the physical properties of haloalkanes. In physical properties, we have to discuss only about the melting point, boiling point, physical state, color, and order, and the density of haloalkanes, how does varies member to member. Okay, first of all, in the first heading we have written physical state, color, and order. The lower haloalkanes named methyl chloride, the smaller haloalkanes or lower haloalkanes named methyl fluoride, methyl chloride, methyl bromide, ethyl fluoride, and ethyl chloride are gases at room temperature. Okay, all other members up to carbon 18s are liquid state, while still higher ones are solid. Okay, the lower member methyl fluoride, methyl chloride, methyl bromide, ethyl fluoride, and ethyl chloride are gases at room temperature. All other members up to carbon 18, focus here, carbon 18 are liquid state, while still higher ones are solid. And about their colors, all the haloalkanes up to carbon 18s are colorless and having sweetest smell, while higher haloalkanes are odorless. Okay, only iodoalkanes and bromoalkanes show color when exposed on sunlight. Okay, why? When iodoalkanes and bromoalkanes exposed to sunlight, it liberates iodine and bromine to show color. Okay, now next is melting point and boiling point. Next one is melting point and boiling point. The melting point and boiling point of the haloalkanes are greater than those of parent alkanes, because the melting point increases with increasing the mass of the haloalkanes. Comparison to alkanes, the mass of haloalkanes are greater. So the wonderful force of attractions between the molecules is greater comparison to normal parent alkanes. So the melting point and boiling point of haloalkanes are greater. As the molecular size increases, melting point and boiling point also increases. In case of boiling point, for the same alkyl group, boiling point increases with increasing the size of the alkyl group and with the size of the halide group. Okay, in case of boiling point, for the same alkyl group for the same alkyl group, the boiling point increases with increasing the size of halide group, size of halide group. Okay, you know, when we move from top to bottom, the 17 group in the periodic table, the size of fluorine to iodine increases. Fluorine to iodine increases. So the melting point, so the boiling point increases in this manner. R F greater than R Cl greater than R Br and greater than Ri, because it is the increasing order of boiling point. Because as the size of halogen atom increases, the boiling point also increases, because the force of van der Waals force which is acting between the molecules also increases. So boiling point increases. Okay. Now for the same alkyl group, for the same halogen atom, for the same halogen atom, the boiling point increases with increasing the size and mass of alkyl group. That means, let us see the example. The boiling point, how does increases with increasing the size and mass of alkyl group. The CH3 Cl C2H5 Cl C3H7 Cl C4H9 Cl. The increasing order of the boiling point is this. Okay, this is the increasing order of boiling point, because as the molecular mass increases, the magnitude of van der Waals force of attraction also increases. Due to this, the boiling point also increases in case of same halogen atom. Okay. Now, third one is for isomeric haloalkanes, the branching haloalkanes had lesser melting point comparison to normal haloalkanes. Why? In case of branching haloalkanes, the surface area of haloalkanes decreases. When surface area of haloalkanes decreases, the magnitude of van der Waals force of attractions also decreases. As the branching increases, surface area decreases, and when surface area decreases, the magnitude of van der Waals force of attractions among the molecules decreases. Due to this, in isomeric case, the boiling point of normal or straight line haloalkanes are greater than those of branching haloalkanes. Let us see the example. Suppose CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2 and Cl, and one member is CH3 CH2 and CH2 and CH2Cl, and third one is CH3C CH3 CH3 and Cl. This is the normal condition, iso condition and neo condition. The molecular formula of the compound are same in these compound, but the structure are different. These are the isomers to each other, and the boiling point of this compound, normal chlorobutane or all 1-chlorobutane, has greater than those of 2-methyl 1-chloropropane and 2-methyl 2-chloropropane. Okay, the boiling point of the name of this compound 1-chlorobutane, the name of this compound 1-chloro 2-methyl propane, and the name of this compound 2-chloro 2-methyl propane. In this case, two branches are situated on the structure. In this case, one branch is present. In this case, no branch is here. So the boiling point of this compound has lesser because this is the compact form of all this compound. So the magnitude of force of attractions between the molecules of this type has lesser and the boiling point decreases. Okay, next one is density. How does the density varies from member to member? The density of haloalkane increases with increasing the size of halide group or halogen atom attached to the alkyl group. Because as the size increases, I have already told you, the force of attractions, van der Waals force of attractions between the molecules also increases. Due to this, the density also increases. In case of density, the let us see the structure. The density, how does density varies? In case of iodoalkane, the density is greater than other haloalkanes Vr, Cl and Rf, the decreasing order of density. That means in a periodic table, when we move from smaller size fluorine to larger size iodine, the density also increases. Okay, fluorine to iodine density increases because the size of iodine is greater than those of fluorine, and due to this, these type molecule has greater magnitude of van der Waals force of attraction. Okay, so this is the decreasing order of density. Decreasing order of density. Okay, next one is reactivity. how does reactivity increases or increases? The reactivity of haloalkanes decreases from iodine to fluorine, or you can say fluorine to iodine increases. In case of decreasing order of haloalkanes are as R I greater than R Vr greater than RCl and greater than Rf. This is the decreasing order of reactivity. Why this is decreasing order of reactivity? Because the reactivity of haloalkanes depends upon the bond dissociation energy between carbon and halogen. The reactivity of any haloalkanes depends upon the bond dissociation energy of carbon halogen. The bond dissociation energy increases in this manner. Why? Because the bond length decreases in this manner. As the bond length decreases, bond dissociation energy increases and reactivity decreases. The bond length of iodoalkane is greater than those of bromoalkanes and those of chloroalkanes and those of fluoroalkanes. Now, as the bond length decreases, the bond dissociation energy increases, and the bond dissociation energy increases, the reactivity also decreases. Okay? That means the reactivity of iodoalkanes is greater than those of bromoalkanes, and the reactivity of bromoalkanes are greater than those of reactivity of fluoroalkanes, and the reactivity of fluoroalkanes is greater than those of reactivity of fluoroalkanes. Okay? Next is solubility. Very important point, solubility. How does the solubility increases or decreases for the haloalkanes? For the good solvent for haloalkanes, what is the good solvent for haloalkanes? Solubility. We know that although carbon halogen bond in haloalkanes are polar, but they are not soluble in water, because they can neither form hydrogen bond with water and nor can break the hydrogen bond already existing between water molecules. Okay? Now let's see although haloalkanes are polar in nature, but they are not dissolved in water, they are not soluble in water, because they can neither form hydrogen bond with water molecule, nor can break hydrogen bond already existing between the molecules. Okay? You know, in water molecules are bonded with hydrogen bonding. Already hydrogen bond existing between the water molecule. But haloalkanes cannot form hydrogen bond with water molecule and cannot break the hydrogen bond already existing in the water molecule. So haloalkanes are insoluble in water, but they are soluble in alcohols, ether and chloroform, but they are soluble in alcohol, ethers and chloroform. Also in carbon tetrachloride. Now in next topic we will discuss the carbon halogen bond, the nature of carbon halogen bond. Let us see next topic, the nature of carbon halogen bond. Okay, carbon halogen bond in haloalkanes. We know very well the bond formed between carbon and halogen is covalent, but this bond present between the carbon halogen is polar in nature. Why polar in nature? You know, in comparison to carbon, halogen, the electronegativity of halogen is greater than those of carbon atom. Due to this, the sharing electron between the carbon halogen shifted towards the halogen atom. Due to this, halogen get partial negative charge while carbon get partial positive charge. Okay? In carbon halogen bond, we know very well there is a covalent bond, but due to the more electronegative nature of halogen atom, the sharing pair of electron between the carbon and halogen divert towards the halogen atom, and due to this, halogen get partial negative charge while carbon get partial positive charge. So we can say the bond present between carbon and halogen is polar in nature, and also we can say polar covalent bond. The nature of bond is polar covalent bond. Polar covalent bond. Okay, and when haloalkanes come nearer to the nucleophile or any nucleophile come to the haloalkanes, the bond break down and halogen get negative charge and the alkyl part get positive charge. Okay, due to this, the haloalkane is more reactive. Okay, the reactivity, that means the reactivity of haloalkanes depend upon the polar nature of bond between carbon and halogen. And why polar nature? We have discussed due to the shifting of sharing pair of electron towards the halogen atom. It get partial negative charge and it get partial positive charge. And the polarity of the halogen bond depends upon the electronegative nature. As the polarity, you know, the RF bond, the polarity of between this bond is greater than the polarity of RBr and the polarity of RCl and the polarity of Ri. The polarity between Rf is greater than that of RBr and that of RCl. Clear? Okay. But the reactivity of alkyl iodide is greater than those of alkyl chloride and those of alkyl bromide and those of alkyl fluoride, because reactivity depends upon the bond dissociation energy, and the bond dissociation energy is minimum in alkyl iodide. Clear? Okay. Now in next video we will discuss about the chemical properties of haloalkanes. Okay, thank you, all the best.